Hello everyone, today I will show you how can you download Adobe Acrobat DC Pro and make it your default PDF reader. First, look for the Adobe Creative Cloud icon on your desktop, whether it has been downloaded or not. Double click on it to open the window. Once it is opened, insert your email address to sign in and press continue. Normally this window does not comes up, and this is a proxy authentication window. Just insert your email address and your login password for the computer, and this will give you the permission to go through the proxy. After you insert the password, just press OK to continue. Now if you look at the right hand top corner, you'll see a blue round circle, and if you click on it, you'll see that your email address is there. That means you are logged in now as a user, and this means that you have the license to have the Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. So now we can go to the application tab. Now from the application tab, choose install, just click on it to install it. Now press continue. It's just saying that you're welcome to Creative Cloud. Now just wait until it gets installed, and first it will download on your computer, then it will be extracted. After the extraction, it will install by itself. Now you can see the status. It is extracting from downloaded file. Now we can see that the progress bar has been changed to the installation progress bar. It's now installed 44%. We just have to be patient to get it installed. Now you can see on your desktop there is the icon. It says Adobe Acrobat DC. The shortcut icon just has been installed on your desktop. Now there you go. On your right hand side bottom corner, you can see the status bar. You installed Adobe Acrobat DC. It's now ready to open. Let's open the program and make it default. This is just a accessibility setup assistant option. You can just go through the setup process by next. If you don't need it, you can just cancel it. I'm just gonna go through the process, just pressing next, selecting the default selections. Now it's done. As you can see at the top left corner, it says Adobe Acrobat DC. Now this is the most important part. We have to make the Adobe Acrobat DC as our default reader and the default program, and we don't want this annoying pop-up message comes up every single time. So we're just gonna select the radio button right here and do not show the message again and press yes. Then we have to press continue to make it a default program. Now we have to go to the change button, select the change button. It will pop up another window. Select the first selection, Adobe Acrobat DC, and press OK to make it default program. And now press apply and then press OK to save your selection. We have to press continue to go through the installation process. Now voila, your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC has been installed, and it has been made as a default program to open, read, or edit any PDF document. If you wish, you can test it by opening a PDF document to see how it acts, whether it has been done properly or not. And this is again the accessibility option. You can just cancel it. We don't need to see the tour. and right here we're just gonna select do not show this dialog box again and press start. So there you go. This is your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC opening your PDF document without any issue. Thank you so very much for joining with me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You have a wonderful day. Take care.